It is January 22nd, 2015, and welcome to the Dr. K Birthday Roast. Okay, let's get started. Darren Fenton has a birthday today. And Carrie Griffith Hines has a birthday today. Yes, happy birthday, Carrie and Darren. Now, Carrie is a karaoke disc jockey. Makes sense. Her name's Carrie and she's an Okie. And I've gone to karaoke nights before, but you know what? I can't understand why people want to go out in public and read words off of a screen. Karaoke is like a musical Obama press conference. But then again, I'm old school. I'm so old school that the first time I saw a karaoke machine, I thought it was a record player closed caption for the deaf. Alright, thank you for watching the Dr. K Birthday Roast.